In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily add a booking form in WordPress. We'll start right inside the WordPress site editor so you can place your booking form exactly where you want it on your homepage. Open your dashboard, head to the site editor, and load the home template. Give the page a second to render. You should see your header, hero section, and the rest of your layout ready to customize. Click into the area where you want your booking form to appear. Many sites place it right below the hero or near the top of the page, so it's easy for visitors to find. Now open the block inserter, the plus button, and use the search field. Type a keyword like booking or form to quickly filter what's available. When you see a booking or appointment form pattern, or a general form block you can adapt, click to insert it into the page. Once the form is on the canvas, position it where it makes the most sense. Use the on-screen controls to move it up or down, or wrap it with a group or container if you want more spacing control. Click the heading or introductory text above the form and rewrite it so it clearly explains what visitors are booking and how long it takes. Clarity here reduces drop-offs. Next, customize the fields. Common essentials include name, email, preferred date and time, and a short message or notes field. If you can edit field settings, mark important fields as required, set helpful placeholder text, and check that labels are clear and accessible. Rename the Submit button to something action-oriented, like Book Now, so users know exactly what happens when they click. Open the Settings panel on the right to fine-tune details. This is where you may adjust width, alignment, spacing, and colors to match your brand. Keep contrast high and font sizes readable, especially on mobile. If your form provides confirmation or notification options, set a friendly success message and verify where submissions will be sent. A quick preview on tablet and phone sizes helps catch layout issues before you publish. When everything looks good, click Save in the top corner. Confirm the changes to your template and any related parts, then finalize. After that, select Launch to push your updates live so visitors can start booking. Before you wrap up, visit your live homepage and do a full test. Submit a sample booking, confirm the success message, and make sure you receive the notification. If something seems off, return to the editor, adjust spacing or text, and save again. That's it. Your booking form is now up, visible, and ready to convert visitors into appointments.